Let's see. Mad science has never gone out of style among the intellectually gifted and the socially awkward. Its practitioners, primarily introverts, are in a unique position to rain down unimaginable terror on the world at large. A key element of mad scientists is the element of surprise. Oh yes, they have this exactly right here. Unlike the corporate bastard whose evil is widely acknowledged in the media, the mad scientist is a loner, often entirely unheard of until he or she unveils a masterwork of hideous evil. The effect can be delightfully shocking. To become a first-rate mad scientist, you'll need two important qualities. One, superior intelligence. Two, mind-boggling insanity. And three, a nice costume. No. Two, superior intelligence and mind-boggling insanity. The former is important because you'll use it to devise and create your diabolical inventions, while the second, insanity, may not seem necessary now. It is vital to your cause. A healthy perspective will seriously impede your progress as a mad scientist, greatly limiting the scope of what you are capable of achieving. Oh, hi, it's Audrey again. I almost wasn't back. It's like Christine has just been everywhere. She's been doing all kinds of things. It's just, it's crazy. So, but I have a couple of more really, really great experiments to share with you. First of all, we're going to create a hideous mutant eyeball dihydrogen monoxide containment unit. Now remember, dihydrogen monoxide is a very, very dangerous chemical. So don't mess with it. I mean, it corrodes metal. It can kill you if you inhale it. The mamby-pambies are complaining about that there's so much of it in our oceans, but, I don't really care about that. But, dihydrogen monoxide is not something to mess with. So we're going to have a nice, safe containment unit with hideous eyeballs on it. So let's get going. So, this is a good container now to contain your dihydrogen monoxide. Move that up. You can put as much as you want in there. Now, remember, this is a very dangerous chemical. It corrodes metal, and it can be fatal if inhaled, and also it can dissolve anything that's water soluble. So you got to be really careful. You got to have a good containment unit in it, and I think this one turned out awesome with all my Hideous Mutant eyeballs on it. I think this will be great. It says poison on there because it can be poisonous if you drink too much of it. Now we're going to get on to our next little bonus experiment. We're going to make a miniature Hideous Mutant Eyeball Pumpkin. Yeah, I know I made one of those last year, but that was a big one. We're making a miniature one now because I found one of these. Wait till you see what kind of fun I can have with this. Now, isn't this thoroughly evil? It totally is very thoroughly evil. And just a little bit of hot glue and some rope, and oh boy, and googly eyes, of course. I have to show you. I found something else in here that I think that I can do some really evil things with. Look at these stickers. They have monsters all over them. Oh my God. Ha ha ha. Wait until Christine comes in here the next time.
Audrey! Oh boy, Audrey,
she's
are
coming.
you in trouble now?
Just hang in there, folks, and I will see you on Halloween.